Pneumatic is the branch of engineering which directly shows the behavior and property of air. Air is compressible, that's why whenever we want this energy into our field, it needs to compress to get pressurized, and without pressurization we can't get any function with help of this air. A lot of air is available in our surrounding, and this air can be used only when it is compressed with help of compressors. Pneumatics are used for all the industries like paint, like automobile, like graphite industries, like steel plant, like alumina plant. Everywhere the function of air is required to get different requirement. Now I will explain you an example of pneumatic application. One circuit we have made on this board, and this circuit is directly showing, this symbol is showing us it is combined unit of air, and this is known as FRL. This FRL supply air to different components of my circuit. So here we have 3x2 valve which is operated with help of roller, and second S2 3x2 valve is there, and it is also operated with help of roller. These in this circuit, these valves are shown in here, but actually it is mounted on the location, and this valve is 5x2 valve which is controlled with help of pilot. This pilot is directly received from S1 and S2 direction control valve. Here two valves are there which are known as meter in and meter out flow control valve for the controlling the speed of my actuator. As I shown you, pneumatic circuit on board that is executed on my testing board. So this is my testing board on which I have received this pneumatic energy from my compressor, and this unit is FRL unit for my system's requirement. Here I have adjusted my pressure at 3 bar. So by 3 bar pressure I will operate this circuit to get embossing operation in my plant. Here you can see we have 5x2 pilot operated direction control valve, 2 flow control valves, 2 3x2 lever operated valves are which are mounted on the position. Here my operation is such that when I will supply my air to my system, my whole system will start working like this. So this operation of continuous forward and reverse will give us a embossing operation in plant. So whenever we want embossing operation or material shifting operation in as per our requirement, then this type of circuit is very suitable for any industry which are using pneumatics.